Hey guys, it's Tanner with TruAudio, here to show you how quick and easy it is to install our new OP6 speaker with the Quick Lock technology. Let's get started. For this install, we're going to be routing our wire through the center hole on the plate and terminating into our binding posts. With the lever open on our Quick Lock technology, it gives us the ability to adjust the bracket to the desired angle for our speaker. When you close the lever, it locks our speaker in place. And that's it. Here at TruAudio, we're always striving to innovate our products to make your installs easier. For more information, visit truaudio.com or soundvisiontech.com.